This amphibious drone is just as comfortable lurking beneath the surface of the water as it is swooping through the skies. The Naviator, as it's called, was developed by researchers at Ruthers University and can seamlessly transition between land and water. It even caught the attention of the US Navy, which gave the university a $618,000 grant to develop the project. Michael Benio is part of the engineering department at the university and says it's a technology that's long been in the works.
The transition from air to water is a tough one. That's a boundary that nobody's cracked. People have been trying to do this since 1863, so we're feeling kind of proud of ourselves that we're able to do that. The big challenge really is that transition, going from air to sea.
So how did they do it? Benio says the trick is in the propellers.
What we did was we decided we had two sets of propellers. The propellers above and the propellers below. What happens is there's a sensor which detects when the drone is in the water. It shuts off the upper propeller and the lower propeller pulls it into the water seamlessly and smoothly.
Once the drone is fully submerged, both sets of propellers kick in, but at a much lower rate. This extends the Naviator's battery life from an hour in the air to 24 hours in the water. Currently, the drone is flown using radio waves and a controller, but this method of navigation quickly breaks down in the water.
So radio signals, they just die within a few meters. So you really can't use normal radio communications. The normal controller just won't work. You can do some limited communication with ultrasound, and we're in the process of refining that. But basically, you've got to program it, set it free, and have it come back to you.
Though most of the project's funding has come from the military, the team at Rutgers hopes to extend the drones market to the commercial sector. Benio says that they are currently working on a new prototype that will have a 7-foot wingspan and be able to carry a much larger payload. Applications may include assessments of oil and chemical spills, bridge and infrastructure surveys, and inspection of underwater pipes.
As with all drones, you limit it to your imagination, whatever you can come up with.